Hey guys, welcome to the greenhouse. I am in the kingdom, okay? This is Danny's greenhouse. Before long I'll have mine. I have my swing over here, but he took it down because he was working on the wiring and stuff and getting things done, so my swing was kind of in his way. We're going to be taking it to the queendom. So I brought my coffee. I'm sitting out here because Danny said these babies need picking. I just need to chill a few minutes. I've been working a lot with the cookbooks. I've got the first batch out. I've got his sweet potato manuals, English pea manuals, and the Cherokee tan pumpkins all out. I'm ready for round 2. We're working on that. The cookbooks will be in shortly, sometime this week, next week, I'm hoping. With these companies, you never know. We're looking for a new stove. It should be in Thursday. I'm praying that it works, y'all. I don't like not having an oven. I'm having to get inventive. With Danny's cookies, I couldn't cook cookies, so I made him some almond cookies like pancakes on the griddle. I just took the electric griddle out and made them on it. Turned out pretty good. You know, you have to improvise. That's the whole thing. So I wanted to chill and give myself a break. I brought my coffee. This is actually Ticino. This is the vanilla nut. This is my most favorite out of all the Ticcinos is the vanilla nut. But let me tell you, if y'all want coffee without coffee, there's no caffeine in it. It gives you the energy you need, and I've been yawning all morning. These things are heart healthy. It helps with your digestive. If you get the turmeric and the red chia and the dandelion blends, and they're coming out with all new ones, and I'll have more this week. Probably my newest one will come out within the next week or so. Ticino's awesome. I can come out here, and I know the fan's going, but I'm not willing to risk the heat of this greenhouse. It is 83 with 82% humidity in here, so not bad at all. I'm going to be picking these. Now these are our Freedom Blackberries. Y'all look at this. Look under there. Can you see that? This is awesome. I'm going to bring you up and show you what these actually look like. Danny and I are amazed at the things that go on in this greenhouse. I could just shut down all the fields and grow in a greenhouse. I'm hoping that's what we do to some extent. Now our sweet potatoes, corn, things have to be grown out in the field. We're going to be doing a Q&A on Deep South about the greenhouse sometime this week, and the 2 greenhouses, what we've got going on, answering questions that people have been asking and things like that. But this is just a nice place to be, and it's not that hot as long as I leave the fans going, and it's running the breeze around my head. I can turn on this little fan and it'll blow right here, and y'all, it's awesome. We have little creatures in here. Sometimes you'll see a frog, sometimes you'll see a lizard. We've had hummingbirds, butterflies, bees, all kinds of insects that we really don't want in here, but the sticky traps, the yellow spots you see behind me, kind of keep that at bay. And we've had really good success growing here in this greenhouse, and that's why we put the second one. And y'all, I'm just excited. I thought I would come out, sit here, drink a little coffee, Ticino, enjoy a few minutes, and pick my berries. I've got my garden stool in here, and Danny and I have 2 of these, and these are easy to pick up and take wherever you need them. So there are our berries. Let's show you up close. Look how big these things are. Look at this. That is some huge berries under here. I mean, look at the size. I don't know that I've ever had blackberries this big before. And I want to show you the inside. Okay, so I'm going to take this one. It's my break. Now look at this. I'm going to bite into it and show you the inside. It's almost kind of like a figgy type thing inside. It's fleshy. There's no seeds in this like there are others. I mean, there are some seeds, but not a lot. And this is just awesome. And just look how pretty. Danny has it on a trellis. And look at this. He cut the top out of them so they wouldn't grow, and they grew anyway, and they're blooming like crazy up top. We usually only have blackberries through June, sometimes into July. But look at this. We're going to have blackberries on into July, possibly later because of all the blooms. You see the new growth? The blackberries are loving this greenhouse, and so am I. That was awesome. I'm telling you, the taste of the Freedom Blackberries is awesome. They're loving the greenhouse. I'm going to finish picking these. I'm going to sit here and finish my coffee, probably eat a few of them, and it just gives us something fresh to eat here in our greenhouse for a while. We're hoping that they will continue to just make a few berries along, and hey, it's something fresh. Eat in season. Eat when you have something fresh. That's my whole goal, is to eat in season. Danny and I are gearing toward possibly having something in this greenhouse or in the other one 365 days a year. That's our goal. Let's see if we can make it. So thank you guys, and we're going to enjoy the Freedom Blackberries. Bye guys.